Whether it's hot runner forms or water in a mold, gun and deep hole drilling is a necessity. We need to recognize these quick and get to programming them fast and accurately. As seen here in the dynamic section view, we have cross lines in a hot runner. Holes intersect from the sides, on angles, and from the bottom. Cross lines, long drills, they all equal deflection. Precise control is needed. We have solved this. After we run feature recognition, we can apply the templates. We're using Compass, but Compass is not needed for this, but it's going to greatly speed up the process. As you can see here, it is actually creating these based on the different vectors picked up here on the work planes. And with the machine simulation, it makes those angles proper and checks them against whether the machine can actually move to those locations. The operations are finishing up now. With Compass, we can add pocketing toolpath to create a self-sealing face. Now that those operations are built, let's take a closer look at the operations. If we highlight them, we can see the cross lines and lines intersecting, such as this one. So let's take a deeper look inside that toolpath and take a look at the different options we can set. If we open it up, we've got a properties box now that opens up this additional window. This additional window is going to have all the features that we want to slow down, speed up at the cross holes, the distance in which it does that. Also, if we're reversing into a pilot hole. If we say OK, and let's show and hide some of the toolpaths to make it easier to see. Let's look at the visual aspect that we have. Right inside of VISI, we can see we have color changes indicating changes in either speed or feed. Makes it real easy to program these, having that aided visual. Now, let's take a look at an example with some 3D callouts. In here, we can see where the clearance plane comes in, the coolant distance, off section, entry distance, speeding distance, and when we get to the cross lines. Each of these are called out with a 3D note, making it easy for us to understand what we're affecting. Go to the bottom, we've got that tool disengagement and the end of the drilling operation. Let's open up the CAM Navigator and take a look at the properties box. In here, you can see the expanded options and we can correspond them with the different points. Notably, we can reverse and control at the end of the drilling operation what that drill's doing, giving us the greater control, and there you have it, a Gundrill solution.